The year is 2018, a year that would mark a significant shift in the automotive landscape. The automotive world watches with bated breath. Enthusiasts and critics alike are on the edge of their seats, waiting to see what Lamborghini has up its sleeve. Lamborghini, a name synonymous with low-slung, fire-breathing supercars, is about to unleash something unexpected, an SUV, the Lamborghini Urus. This isn't just any SUV, it's a Lamborghini after all, a move met with raised eyebrows and skepticism. Could Lamborghini, a brand that has built its reputation on speed, exclusivity, and jaw-dropping design, really succeed in the world of practicality and family hauling? Could a brand built on speed and exclusivity conquer the world of practicality and family hauling? The question lingered in the air, as many wondered if the Urus would dilute the essence of what makes a Lamborghini a Lamborghini. The answer, in short, was a resounding yes. The Urus didn't just meet expectations, it shattered them, proving that Lamborghini could indeed create a vehicle that was both practical and exhilarating. The Urus didn't just enter the luxury SUV market, it crashed through the gates, a raging bull in a world of pedigreed ponies. It was a force to be reckoned with, a game-changer in every sense of the word. It was a bold statement, a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to pushing boundaries and redefining expectations. The Urus was not just another luxury SUV, it was a Lamborghini through and through. But what is it about the Urus that sets it apart? What makes it stand out in a crowded market of luxury SUVs? What makes this high-riding Lamborghini more than just a sports car on stilts? The answer lies in its heart and soul, its performance capabilities, and its unique blend of practicality and luxury. Let's delve deeper into the heart of the beast. The Urus is powered by a 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 engine, producing an astonishing 641 horsepower. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. The Urus is a statement, a declaration that practicality and performance aren't mutually exclusive. It offers ample cargo space, seating for 5, and a host of advanced safety and convenience features, making it a true all-rounder. It's a Lamborghini that can tackle the school run as effortlessly as it devours a racetrack. Whether you're navigating city streets or carving through mountain roads, the Urus delivers an unparalleled driving experience, and that's what makes it so captivating. The Urus is not just an SUV, it's a Lamborghini, a vehicle that embodies the spirit of the brand while offering a level of versatility and practicality that was previously unimaginable. It's a game changer, a vehicle that redefines what an SUV can be. One glance at the Urus and you know it's a Lamborghini. The iconic front grille, the piercing headlights, and the bold emblem all scream performance and prestige. The sharp lines, the aggressive stance, the unmistakable DNA of its supercar siblings, it's all there. Every angle, every curve is meticulously crafted to exude power and speed, even when standing still. But it's also clear that this is a Lamborghini designed for a different purpose. This isn't just about raw power, it's about versatility and luxury. The Urus is built to conquer both the racetrack and the open road, offering a driving experience like no other. The Urus is a masterclass in blending Lamborghini's signature aggression with a more refined, sophisticated elegance. It's a vehicle that commands attention, whether it's parked in a driveway or cruising down the highway. The low roofline and wide body give it a planted, muscular stance, while the sharp creases and angles along the bodywork hint at the power that lies within. It's a design that not only looks good, but also enhances aerodynamics and performance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of luxury and technology. The cabin is a sanctuary of comfort with plush seats and state-of-the-art features that make every journey a pleasure. The interior is a testament to Italian craftsmanship, with high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail evident throughout. From the soft leather upholstery to the precision stitching, every element is designed to provide an unparalleled sense of luxury. From the hexagonal air vents to the fighter jet-inspired start button, the Urus's cabin is a driver-focused cockpit designed to thrill and pamper in equal measure. The advanced infotainment system, customizable displays and intuitive controls ensure that the driver is always in command. On the road, the Urus is a beast. Its powerful engine roars to life, delivering breathtaking acceleration and handling. Whether you're navigating city streets or winding mountain roads, the Urus offers a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. And it's not just about performance on paved roads. The Urus is also equipped with advanced off-road capabilities, making it a true all-terrain vehicle. From sand dunes to snowy trails, the Urus can handle it all with ease. Safety is also a top priority. The Urus comes with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. In essence, the Lamborghini Urus is more than just an SUV. It's a statement of power, luxury, and versatility. It's a vehicle that embodies the spirit of Lamborghini, while offering the practicality and comfort of a modern SUV, a true symphony of aggression and elegance. Under the hood of the Urus lies a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, a beast capable of producing 641 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. These figures translate into blistering performance, making the Urus one of the most powerful SUVs on the market today. 0 to 60 miles per hour, a mere 3.6 seconds. This kind of acceleration is usually reserved for supercars, but the Urus brings it to the SUV segment. Top speed, a mind-bending 190 miles per hour. Imagine cruising at such speeds, feeling the wind rush past as the world blurs around you. But the Urus is more than just raw power. Step inside and you're greeted by a luxurious interior that combines cutting-edge technology with premium materials. It's about the experience, the feeling of being propelled forward by a force of nature. The driver's seat is designed to make you feel in control, with every button and dial within easy reach. The engine roars to life with a guttural growl, a sound that sends shivers down your spine and announces your presence with authority. Each upshift from the 8-speed automatic transmission is met with a satisfying bark from the exhaust, a reminder of the power that lies beneath the hood. This is a Lamborghini that can handle corners with surprising agility, defying the expectations of what an SUV can do. Thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, the Urus maintains stability and control, even in the most challenging driving conditions. It's a car that feels equally at home on a winding mountain road as it does on the open highway. Whether you're navigating tight turns or cruising at high speeds, the Urus delivers a driving experience like no other. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, offering seamless connectivity and a host of features to keep you entertained and informed on the go. Safety is also a priority, with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems designed to keep you and your passengers protected at all times. And let's not forget practicality. The Urus offers ample cargo space, making it perfect for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. In the city, the Urus is a head-turner, its bold design and aggressive stance commanding attention wherever it goes. At night, the LED headlights illuminate the road ahead with crystal-clear precision, ensuring you can see and be seen. With a range of customizable options, you can tailor the Urus to your personal taste, making it truly your own. From the exterior paint to the interior finishes, every detail can be customized to reflect your unique style. And if you're feeling adventurous, the Urus is more than capable off-road with various driving modes to tackle different terrains. The Lamborghini Urus is not just a car, it's a statement, a testament to what happens when luxury meets performance. Unleash the beast within and experience the thrill of driving a Lamborghini Urus. Section 4, a technological sanctuary of luxury. The Urus is a showcase of Lamborghini's commitment to cutting-edge technology. The infotainment system is controlled through a sleek touchscreen interface, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Safety is paramount, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking working seamlessly to provide a safe and confident driving experience. But the Urus is also about indulgence. The cabin can be customized with a range of premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and a panoramic sunroof that floods the interior with natural light. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a cross-country road trip, the Urus offers a sanctuary of comfort, luxury, and technological sophistication. Section 5, a breed apart, Urus versus the world. The luxury SUV market is a crowded one, filled with established players like the Bentley Bentayga and the Porsche Cayenne. So, where does the Urus fit into this elite club? The answer is simple. It doesn't just fit in, it stands out. The Urus offers a unique blend of performance, exclusivity, and head-turning design that's unmatched in its class. It's a Lamborghini through and through, with a character and presence that sets it apart from the more understated offerings from its rivals. While its competitors may offer similar levels of luxury and refinement, none can match the Urus's raw emotional appeal. It's a car that makes a statement, a car that turns heads wherever it goes. It's a Lamborghini for those who want it all: practicality, performance, and undeniable presence.